Hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday, June 15th, 2020. We have here one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and there is also in this daily newspaper in an additional with extra Sudokus. I think 5 or 6 extra Sudokus, but first I will solve this medium Sudoku, the regular Sudokus. Yes, so let's get started with this regular Sudoku Medium. Alright, we see here 6 in this column, a 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then in the middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 empty boxes. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 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 And also here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. Let me see which number I can use. How about the 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1, 2, 3 is missing in the third column. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing in the third column. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 1 box left for the 8 should be there, and 1 box left for the digit 3. Alright. Then how about the number 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here also 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. Yeah. Short interruption here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so on the column next, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so on the row below, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, here also a 5, no 5 there, the only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. And can I continue with the 6? Yes, because I see here 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 3. Alright. Let's see, which number can I use? How about 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then how about yeah, this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. I see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes, so the 3 could be here or could be there, but we see here a 3, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 1, 2, and 8. 1, 2, and 8. No, I cannot. How about this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. There are 2. No 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. In one of these 2 boxes, in this column, can be a 2. In the last column, we have a 2 over there. So in the column between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then, how about 1 and a 9? I need a 9. 1 and a 9. No, 2 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are the 2 and the 9 in this big square. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square, the numbers 2 and 1, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 9, we see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3, 3, 9, 7, 3, 9. How about these two numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 9 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then two numbers left in the second row. The numbers are the 1 and the 3. 3 or the 1. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have here two numbers left in the first column. The 1 and the 9. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 9 and 8. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 7 and 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column should be the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 2 and the 3 of this big square. We see here a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yes, finished in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. And don't forget, subscribe if you like or if you want. And don't forget to hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Anyway, thank you for watching this Sudoku video. We will meet again later with the additional of today's newspaper with extra Sudokus. So, see you later, and bye bye for now.